Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about the sun is just rising from the mountain. Good morning, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers. Blessed love to you all. Yes, you don't know, it's all about I'm on the farm. As you can see in the background, yeah, I'm on the farm doing some watering as usual. Every morning, every evening, I have to give the peppers water. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the catchment because we have a nice, lovely rainfall lately, and trust me, we have some nice water in the catchment. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you what's going on inside the catchment. Stick and stay, don't go away. Yes, me people, I don't know. We have to plant something. We can't just sit around like that. See? Yeah, man. I don't know. Yeah, man. The land kind of full up of grass, you know. Check this out. This is callaloo, you know. It's only pea seed. Yeah. All the leaves gone. Yeah, man. Yeah, as you can see, one part of the place spray. You know, get rid of those grass, but over here don't spray as yet. So you don't know. Very soon, I'm gonna spray over here. So yes, my viewers, I was telling you about the catchment. Yeah, man, don't want to go too near, you know. The catchment. Yeah, we have a lot of water here because we have a nice rainfall lately. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, as you can see, the pump is right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you something about the pump when I turn the pump off. The water in the line is gonna run back through the pump, so I'm gonna show you that soon as I turn off the pump. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, the whole place here grass up. Yeah, but very soon, you know, very soon we're gonna get rid of all these grass here. Yeah, but give them some time and them go on green for a while, you know what I mean? Yeah, have a nice root of pumpkin right there. Yeah, as you can see, a yellow blossom is right there. Yeah, a yellow blossom is right there. All right. So yes, my viewers, and in the previous video where you see me stick some pumpkin seed, yes, I'm going to show you what's happening with those pumpkin seed. Yeah, man. You don't know me upon the farm. When me upon the farm is a serious man when it comes to farming. I don't stick around, you know what I mean? And don't do something. I always stick and stay and do something. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna these two jug here that I use to water those pumpkin. Yeah, when I just plant them because the time was very dry. But now we're getting some rain. Yeah, my people, the bud files. Yeah, man, beautiful channel. One love. Alright, yard food. Big up yourself. The amazing M&J. Yeah. Big up yourself, man. Trust me, there is so much. I can't remember some of you guys, but trust me, if you don't hear your name, you're still here. Alright? Yes, man. I tell the Jamaican farmers that, yeah, as you can see, I go around the greenhouse, get down all these grass. Look inside here, my viewers. Yeah, we have pepper ripening inside. Alright, yeah. Alright. I reach at the back of the greenhouse. The last time I was giving you a view from the back of the greenhouse. Yeah, give them some fertilizer lately because the leaf them was looking yellow and was looking crowdy up, you know what I mean? So you don't know. Well, as you can see, we're doing some trellising. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that very soon. Yeah, and we're doing some pruning. Yeah, my words them is not lapsing, them just a collapse. You know what I mean? I'm talking too fast. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you a view on that very soon, so don't worry. But here, I'm here at the back of the greenhouse, and lately I come around here, I plant some seeds. Yeah, some pumpkin. Yes, my people, we have to plant. Soon and very soon, this pumpkin is gonna be something to eat. Yeah, this is the first plant. All right. You don't know pumpkin no love too much water, so I'm not have to water them every day. You know what I mean? This is the second plant. Yeah, all different type of pumpkin seeds mixed up together. Because when planting pumpkin, don't just go ahead and plant one type of pumpkin. You must plant more than one different variety of pumpkin, alright? Yes. Alright. That is the third. So yes, my viewers. Yeah man, we have to plant something. As you can see, the grass is dry down here because over here is spray. That side don't spray as yet. Okay, as you can see here, back off those grass from the greenhouse. Yeah man. Can't give them too much shade, they will grow too fast and too tall. Yeah. Alright, school bus are going in the morning. Yeah. The man carrying the school as them. I don't know, it's all about Jamaican farmers, but you know, education is the key, but sometimes it don't work, you know what I mean? Because you go to high school and then you go to college and you get all these, you know, and then when you come out, you don't have a job. You know what I mean? So yeah, viewers, sometimes it is not the key. Alright, I move these grass from here. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Soon give you a view of inside, the chalicing and the pruning. Everything is going on. What is going on here? Doing some watering. So you don't know before. After turn on the pump, put the water inside the tank. This is a filter. I have to pull it out. Let me show you guys. This is a filter to filter the water, so I have to clean it with the brush here. Yeah, wash it out properly, screw it up back. Yeah, so after I do that, I run out some water out there first, and then I pull it here and I run it through. Yeah, make sure everything is good. Yeah, and then screw it back up. Yeah man, so I have to do this every morning, every evening, you know what I mean? Yep. I'm gonna give you a view of inside here. That is what's going on inside. Water is pitching from all angles. How far it reach? Whoa. Yeah. The sun is rising. Whoa, it's a beautiful shade from the sun. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out. See? Yes, I don't know. Dep on the farm, my people. Yeah, man, dep on my farm. Yeah. See there? Me there, man, me there. Watch the surrounding. Yeah. Workshop, see the workshop there? Yeah, man, at the workshop that, you know. Yeah man, the workshop that. See, yeah, give you a glade of the sun again. Yeah man, that's the glade of the sun just peeping over the mountain, you know what I mean? Yeah? So you see it on Jamaican farmers, but alright? Okay my viewers. Water is up. It's time to turn it on. You can hear? Yeah, water is running. Alright my viewers, it is time for me now to turn off the pump. So I'm gonna turn off the pump now. I'm gonna show you that the water is running back out of the line. Yeah. To the catchment. So that means we don't lose a ounce of water, you know what I mean? Yeah, so very soon we need to put some fish inside here. Yeah. Alright. The pump is off. Cover up my connection. Yeah. Cover up my connection. Alright my viewers. Let me show you what's going on now with the returning of the water. Yeah. That is where the pump is. That little blue thing in the here, yeah, it is the switch that if the water get too low, the pump turn off. So that is the thing that ignite the pump to have it running. If you can look clearly, you can see the pump underneath the water. Yeah, that's the pump underneath the water. It is a submerged pump. Yes, my viewers. So you don't know. Yeah, man. So the pump work right there all the time. Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's set up, you know. Jamaican farmers. It's all about farming. We have to plant something. If we don't plant nothing, we go hungry. And if we're hungry, we go feel sick. And if we feel sick, you know what will happen next. Yeah, man. Alright, my viewers. Stick and stay. And don't forget, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. See? I'm gonna be out for now. See you in the next video, alright? Thank you all for watching. Big up on yourself.